How to reset color settings in your Windows. Hey everybody, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to provide you with a step-by-step guide so you can follow up the steps below based on what looks wrong. So let's get started. So first of all, we can go to our settings of our device, open up the settings app, go to system and the card for display section here. And once we are under display, we can scroll down and go to advanced display option here and open it up. After that, here we'll be finding different options. You can just go and look out for display adapter options here. And once you find it up, you can just go over and go to the color management tab here. If you find it up, and go ahead, this one right here, display adapter properties, and look out for the monitor and look out for the color management tab. So if you find color management tab there, you can just go over and go ahead and change your color from that section, and that should work out for you. You can restart your PC once it is done. Apart from that, what you can do is you can turn off color filters if your screen is yellow or gray. Windows plus I, press Windows plus I for your settings to open up. Go to accessibility and look out for color filters. After that, you can turn off this option if this option is turned on, and that should work out for you. Also, you can turn off your night light. You can go to your settings for that. Look out for system and go to display and find night light here and turn this option off as well. And also we can go to personalization within our settings and look out for colors option and choose your color preferences, dark, manual, automatic, etc., and go ahead and apply it up. If your color still looks wrong, then you can just go and reset your graphic drivers color settings, which is very important. So go over and you can find your graphic drivers color settings. So open up your NVIDIA control panel or your NVIDIA application, your AMD Radeon settings or your Intel graphic settings, find the option for colors, something like that, and go ahead and change the color for your graphics. And just go over and customize your color. You can set this theme to light or system and restore your defaults. That is possible. And that's it, everybody. Usually these are the methods you can follow up in order to do so. So we hope this video was helpful. Give this video a like and subscribe for more.